Hello and welcome to softexpert. In one of my recent videos I discussed a few solar energy WordPress themes for free Elementor, and in that video I shared the theme demos and also have shared the theme links. But in today's video I have got a chance to use any of these themes because I want to create a wind energy WordPress website. Now honestly all these themes are suitable, but among this list I have selected a theme called Solak, and this is the theme I have selected because I want it to have an attractive look with nice animations and also mouse effects. So today in this video we will see how we can install and set up this theme on our domain and make a website with this theme. Before that, let's have a look at the theme demo one more time, and then we will see how we can get and install this theme on our domain. So this is the theme demo, and this theme has 3 home pages available. One is for solar energy, renewable energy and wind energy. And as mentioned, I need a wind energy site, so I have opened up this third demo that you see right here. So first we have this amazing slider. Above it we have the main header with the logo and all the required pages. It also has this side menu where you can display about your company and some extra information. Let's scroll down. Then we have this section to display a few services. Then this is a services slider, and this will be linked to the single service page. Okay. Then we have about section, again with some nice animation, a pop-up video. Scroll down, we have working process with nice arrows and this shape. Then again we have some services, a slider, call to action, our team section, then why choose us. This layout looks disturbed, but we will fix this. Okay. Latest projects with some nice animations, and each of these projects will be linked to the specific detail page. Testimonials, again a very powerful look. You can see these animations. This is just a archive, latest posts, logos and a nice footer. So this is Solak WordPress theme, and to get this theme the link will be given in the description. Just click on that, which will take you to theme forest. This is the theme name and this is the theme price. This is by the way one-time fee. Once you pay this you can use this theme for lifetime. Now again you can learn more about this theme here on this page, and to get this theme just click add to cart. Then go to checkout and you will see the order summary here. This is the total price, and you can pay for this theme using Visa, MasterCard or PayPal. Let me quickly pay this, then we will install this theme on our domain. And payment complete. You can see your order here. You can download the theme right here, or you can just go to your downloads page where you will find the theme. So here click on this download, and first download the installable WordPress files and also download the theme license. This is the purchase code, so I'll download this in PDF. And after download you will get 2 files like this. This is the theme file and this is its purchase code. Now let's see how we can upload this to our WordPress. So here I'm in the WordPress dashboard. This is a fresh WordPress installation. So to upload the theme we'll go to appearance, themes, add theme, upload file, and here we will upload that file. So I'll select the theme, open it and install now. And theme uploaded. Let's go ahead and activate it. And once you activate, just like other premium themes, you will get this notice to install the required plugins. Just click on begin installing plugins. You will see a couple of plugins here. Just select all and choose install and apply, which will install these plugins one by one. Once done, go back to your plugin installer to activate all these plugins. So select all and activate, apply. And one of the plugins is invalid, but let's leave this for now. Let's go to our dashboard to reload the page and see all the plugins here. So you can see we got the theme options, the theme builder, and also some other options for the plugins. And still if I visit the website, there will be nothing. We just have this freeloader and our blog title. Okay, now let's import one of the demo and then we will see how we can customize. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard again, and to import the demo content we will go to appearance and import demo data. And this is the theme demo data. Okay, scroll down and click import, and this is from one click demo import plugin. You can install these plugins. If not required, just click continue and import, which will start importing content. Now this may take a while based on the website and internet speed, so let's wait for it. And import complete. Let's visit our website to see. This is the freeloader and we got the whole website along with all the demo content. This is the first demo with this look. And the demo I showed you was this one. Okay, now let me quickly show you how you can customize this theme and how you can make it your own, how you can fix this menu and how you can remove unwanted pages, how you can edit the main pages with Elementor and so on. So let's go to the dashboard, and first we will see the theme options here or here. So the first thing is you can enable and disable the cursor and the drag cursor, that you can notice the dot here. So you can enable and disable that. Then we have some global colors like the main theme color, color for the headings, the body text color and links color. Now it's up to you and your branding. You can customize these colors based on your need. Then we have typography, where we can change the fonts for the body and headings. We have back to top, freeloader and admin label. So all these things are simple. To change the freeloader you can upload your own SVG here. Then under header we have the header logo that you can change. So to change this logo, just click upload, and then here you can upload any media from your computer. Okay, now this is very simple, so I'm just going through that how you can make changes. Okay, then you can set the width and height for the logo, also the logo top margin, the text logo if you want to, and so on. Then this is the header style, so you can turn on and off the sticky header. You can see this is sticky while I'm scrolling the page. Okay, so it's better to keep it as it is. And navbar sub menu icon, which is this one. If you don't want this, just hide it. Then the header background, so the top header background, the header logo background, the header menu. And this is the top header background that you can change. This is the logo background and this is the menu background, which is white. You can just change these colors. Okay, then you can change the menu color, the text color and hover, the sub menu color and all these. Now again, these are very simple. Just click on any color and then select the color you want. Okay, then you can do the same settings for the mobile menu and for the blog. If you want to display the sidebar on left or on right, the title position, tags and all these, page and breadcrumbs, again you can do settings for it. This is the main image that you will see on the single pages. Okay, so you can change this if you want to. 404 page WooCommerce pages, subscribe, where you can connect MailChimp by adding your MailChimp API key and list ID if you want to collect emails in your MailChimp account. Under socials, obviously you can add and customize the social profiles. You can add your social links here. Okay, then we have footer builder and global footer. This will be easily editable with Elementor. I'll show you later on. Okay, you can add custom CSS to it, and then you can import and export settings. So these are some options available in this theme. Now let's go to the pages just to show you that how you can edit pages. Okay, by the way, make sure to save your changes if you made any changes. Okay, I'll go to pages and you can see we have 30 plus pages. Obviously we will not use all these, so we can remove unwanted pages and we can edit pages with Elementor and we can easily customize it. For now we have this as our home page. We can also set another page as our home page under settings and reading. Okay, let me quickly show you. Here you can see we have selected this page. We can select any other page and make it as our home page. Let's close it. Back to pages. Let's edit any page with Elementor. I'll just edit this one. Let's close this and also this one. Now again, Elementor is quite easy to manage. So if you want to make changes to the slider, just click on it. And this is a banner slider coming from this theme. You can choose different styles for it. And this is the overlay that you see here, so you can change it if you want to. Then go to the items to manage the slider item. like the background image, the subtitle, the title, button and its link. This pen code is just for displaying this image, okay? So you can change it by changing the the image link here, okay? If you don't want, you can just remove it and keep it as simple title. Same goes for the item 2. We have another image. To change the image, just click on that and upload your own image, okay? This is also simple. Then scroll down. This is also a part of this slider, okay? That you can see here. This is the image. Again, this is the image. This is the title which you see here. The icon is here. Scroll down. You can click on it. And these are features. So you can open up any of these to change the icon, the title, the description and the button URL if you want to display a button, okay? Again, it has couple of styles that you can try and keep the one that you want. Same goes for the title here. And this video, you can click on it. You can change the background picture for it and also change the YouTube video URL which will be playable on this. If you want to change the circle text, just change it over here. And same goes for all these content. This is also a services slider that you can customize here. Now the best thing about this theme is almost all the elements are from this theme itself. You can see over here. And if I go to this plus, scroll down. These are some elements available for Elementor in this theme. You can see section title, button, blog post, services, testimonials and all these. Now this is a very good package in terms of the price. We just paid 29 or 32 and we are getting all these things. It even has the headers, the banner slider and all these. So if you want to use any of these elements on a new page or somewhere in the middle, just click on this plus, create a container and use any of these. Let's say step process. So we got this layout that we can further duplicate and customize. You can see a very cool look. So we can add an image here by clicking here. Let's choose one from media. This is step 1, which is fine. We can change the title and text. So within minutes you can create an awesome layout like this. And obviously you can give this container some spacing. So this theme is very powerful in terms of its widgets, smoothness and also the animations. And lastly, just click on publish to save your changes. And in the same way you can edit any page with Elementor. You can click here and you can go to any other page like services detail page. And then click here to change the image, to change the text, the title and so on. So you can see everything is editable with Elementor. Again, publish to save your changes. So within a few minutes you can create an awesome solar energy, wind energy or renewable energy website using Solak WordPress theme. So this was Solak WordPress theme and again the theme link will be given in the video description. I hope you will find this video helpful. And to learn more about WordPress Elementor, you can follow my channel. Still, if you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.